So in today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between level 3A soft armor and level 3 hard armor. This video is for people who are new to body armor. They don't know anything about the different types of armor, what kind of bullets they stop, or anything like that. So if you are a tactical ninja, this video is not for you. This is for the parents who are maybe looking to get one of these for their kid's backpack, or maybe the regular civilian that is looking to get some body armor protection. I'm going to start with the soft armor and go over the bullets that this soft armor panel can stop, this level 3A soft armor, and then I'm going to move to this level 3 hard plate and tell you about the kind of bullets that this can stop. Okay, so level 3A soft armor, it's called soft armor for a reason. It's soft. When you squeeze it, it's flexible, and it is meant to stop bullets out of a handgun. So here I have an unloaded, safe handgun, and the bullets that come out of handguns are what this is meant to stop. It is not meant to stop any other bullets. So I'm going to go one by one and go through the bullets that this level 3A soft armor can stop. First, you have one of the most common rounds, which is your 9mm round. And you're going to see the bullets are going to get progressively bigger here. Next, you have your 45. After that, you have your 44 Magnum. And after that, you have your 357 Magnum. So these are all handgun rounds which this level 3A soft armor can stop. Now, according to FBI statistics, most shootings occur with a handgun. So for those of you asking, well, what about rifles and AR-15s, which you see definitely more sensationalized in the news, the reality is, based on statistics, handguns are used much more often than AR-15 type rifles. Now, if you go to level 3 hard armor, and you can also go to level 4, but for the sake of this video, we're talking about level 3. It's the level 3 plate here. These are meant to stop rifle rounds. Now, this is a round 223, some are shooting 5.56, and these type of bullets, as you can see, which are very different than this 9mm bullet, which is most common in handguns, and let's say 40 as well, right? So you're going to see a big difference there. These type of bullets, as well as some other rifle rounds, are typically shot out of a rifle that looks like this, okay? And this is what you might see on the news, AR-15. If you Google it, you're going to see something that kind of looks like that. And that is what is shooting those bigger bullets, and that's what this level 3 or level 4 armor is meant to stop. It's hard armor. Now, you're going to see a big weight difference here. This is about a pound, where this you're looking at about 5 pounds to anywhere to some of the heavier plates can be 6 pounds. They're getting much lighter now, so there are some plates that are sub 5 pounds, but this one here is about 5 pounds. This one here is about a pound, so definitely a big weight difference here. And once again, this is soft and floppy, and this is hard and rigid. So the question I get from a lot of people and a lot of parents are, what should I get? Especially if you're looking for something for your child, or if you are a civilian and maybe just a regular homeowner and you kind of want to treat body armor like a fire extinguisher. You want to have it in your home just in case, and hopefully you never need it, but in the event something happens, you want to have it there, right? Like I said, like a fire extinguisher. So a lot of people are treating body armor the same way. Have it there within a plate carrier, in, God forbid, in case something happens, but hopefully it can stay tucked away wherever you keep your body armor and you never have to use it. To answer that question, I would say that you have to take a look at what kind of potential threats that you expect you might be dealing with. Now, if you are in an area where you have a high incident of handgun violence, then you're probably going to say, okay, then this soft armor plate will do. If you are living somewhere where there's a high degree of AR-15 rifle type violence, first things first, I would say, is move. Secondly, I would say then you want to move up to level 3 or level 4 hard plates. Definitely going to be much better protection. The thing you give up there is comfort and weight, right? So here you're going to be wearing these or have these in your backpack or bag. It's going to be much lighter, much more comfortable. However, only stopping those handgun rounds, where this is going to be heavier, maybe 5 times as heavy at around 5 pounds, and it's not going to be flexible, so it won't move or conform to a bag or anything like that. It's going to be very hard, very stiff. However, it is going to give you the ability to stop those more powerful rifle rounds. Now, one question that a lot of people ask, and it's a good question because some people don't know, they say, can this rifle plate stop the handgun rounds? And the answer is yes. This rifle plate can stop those handgun rounds I showed you. However, the inverse is not true. This handgun rated plate, of course, cannot stop those rifle rounds. If you have any other questions about body armor, plate carriers, armor for your bags, for your children's backpack for school, or anything like that, make sure you email us at sales@221btactical.com. Our sales team is there 24/7 to answer all your questions. They can give you the whole breakdown. Of course, we have all this information on our website as well, so you can check that out, where we break down the different threat levels and things like that. We know it's a little complicated, and when you're thinking about buying body armor for your home or your family, or even your child, or putting something like this in your child's backpack, we know it's a tough decision. So we know you're going to have a lot of questions. That's why our sales team is there to answer those questions for you and kind of take some of this, the nerves out of making that decision. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment below any questions you might have, and our team will get back to you. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next time.